Hi everyone, welcome to Testing Master. Today we are going to see what is Robot Framework and who can learn Robot Framework. So Robot Framework is a generic open source automation framework for acceptance testing. And who can learn Robot Framework? So anyone who don't have any programming knowledge can also learn Robot Framework, and anyone who has basic automation knowledge on any automation tools can learn Robot Framework with very ease. And anyone who knows just basic English, who can frame sentences, can learn Robot Framework very easily. So to learn Robot Framework, you don't need to be any master in any programming language. If you don't have any programming knowledge, also you can learn Robot Framework. So anyone who knows just a basic way of writing the keywords and English sentences can learn Robot Framework very easily. How Robot Framework works? So Robot Framework works basically with keywords. It utilizes keyword driven testing approach. For example, if you want to open a browser in Java, you need to write around some 4 to 5 lines of code. But in Robot Framework, you can achieve this in one line. To say even more easier, how you speak to other people, like if you want to just say the other person to open a door, you will say open to just open the door. So in the same way, you can say it to Robot Framework also. If you want to open a browser, you can write your command in such a way like open browser and specify the respective URL you want to open. So it is quite simple, like the way you talk in English. What are the advantages of Robot Framework? In Robot Framework, you can write your test scripts very faster than any other framework. So here you can write your test scripts in a clear way where the structure of the code is very easy to understand to anyone, and it is very simple code structure, and people who don't have any programming skills also can write the Robot Framework test cases very easily, since it has good support from rich libraries like Selenium, Appium. You can automate any kind of application like web application, desktop application, even Android application or iOS application. And it has a clear detailed reports with inbuilt in Robot Framework, where in other frameworks where you need to specify, for example, if you want to take a screenshot wherever this test case has failure, you need to specify in other frameworks to take a screenshot. But in Robot Framework, it automatically takes a screenshot wherever the script fails. So it has a clear and detailed report structure in Robot Framework inbuilt. It gives a clear and detailed reports like where the particular test case has been failed, and it automatically captures the screenshot in the which step it has been failed and what was the reason of the particular failure, and it has a clear logs and reports in inbuilt. How to install Robot Framework? Robot Framework can be installed on Python or on Java with Jython flavor. So in our tutorial we will use Python, and on Python we'll be installing Robot Framework, and in Robot Framework we'll use Selenium libraries to automate web applications, and we can use Appium libraries to automate mobile applications in Android and iOS, and we can also use multiple libraries for automating APIs. Even though Robot Framework is very simple, it's a powerful framework. In the next video we will see how to install Robot Framework, how to install Python, and how to configure the environment to automate web applications.